Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we're going to go over part 1 of 2 on the topic drop shipping. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over the advantages and disadvantages of drop shipping, finding profitable drop shipping niches, setting up your drop shipping store, and marketing and promoting your drop shipping business. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Drop shipping. Are you tired of the conventional retail model? Are you seeking a way to start your own business without the complications of inventory management? Look no further than drop shipping. This innovative business approach enables you to sell products online without the need to physically handle them. With dropshipping, your focus can be on marketing and customer service while your suppliers handle inventory storage and order fulfillment. In this video, we will delve into the intricacies of dropshipping, exploring its functionality, advantages, and challenges. Additionally, we will provide you with valuable tips and strategies to help you thrive in this fiercely competitive industry. Therefore, whether you are an experienced entrepreneur looking to diversify your income streams or a budding business owner seeking a low-risk venture, dropshipping presents itself as an ideal opportunity for you. Prepare to unearth the exhilarating realm of dropshipping and discover how you can transform it into a profitable business endeavor. Let's plunge into the depths. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model that allows entrepreneurs to sell products to customers without having to carry any inventory. Instead of investing in inventory upfront, the retailer partners with a dropshipping supplier who stocks the products and ships them directly to the customer's doorstep. One of the key advantages of dropshipping is that it eliminates the need for warehousing and inventory management. By working with a dropshipping supplier, retailers can focus their time and resources on marketing and customer service rather than dealing with complexities of fulfillment. However, it's important to note that dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Like any business, it requires hard work, dedication, and a solid business plan. But with the right strategies and a keen understanding of the market, dropshipping can be a highly profitable venture. Advantages of dropshipping. Dropshipping offers several advantages that make it an attractive option for entrepreneurs. First and foremost, it requires minimal startup costs. Unlike traditional retail models, dropshipping doesn't require significant investment in inventory. This means you can start your business with little to no upfront capital. Another advantage of dropshipping is the flexibility it provides. Since you don't have to worry about inventory management, you can run your business from anywhere in the world. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection, allowing you to work remotely and travel while still managing your business. Additionally, dropshipping allows for a wide product selection. With traditional retail, you're limited by the amount of physical space you have to store inventory. But with dropshipping, you can offer a vast range of products without worrying about storage limitations. This gives you the opportunity to cater to different customer preference and target multiple niches. Disadvantages of dropshipping. While dropshipping offers numerous advantages, it's important to be aware of its disadvantages as well. One of the main challenges of dropshipping is the intense competition in the market. Since the barrier to entry is low, many entrepreneurs are drawn to the dropshipping model, resulting in a saturated market. To stand out from the competition, you'll need to develop a unique selling proposition and implement effective marketing strategies. Another disadvantage of dropshipping is the lack of control over the fulfillment process. When you work with a dropshipping supplier, you're relying on them to handle order fulfillment and shipping. This means you have less control over the customer's experience as you're not directly responsible for the packaging and shipping of the products. It's crucial to choose reliable suppliers who prioritize quality and time delivery to maintain customer satisfaction. Lastly, Profit margins in dropshipping can be relatively low. Since you're not buying products in bulk, you won't benefit from wholesale pricing. This means you'll have to sell products at a higher price to make a profit. To overcome this challenge, it's important to carefully consider your pricing strategy and make ways to add value to your products or services. How dropshipping works. Now that we have covered the fundamentals of dropshipping and its pros and cons, let us delve deeper into the inner workings of the dropshipping model. The dropshipping process commences when the retailer establishes an online store and procures products from dropshipping suppliers. These suppliers are responsible for storing inventory and fulfilling orders on behalf of the retailer. When a customer places an order on the retailer's website, the retailer transfers the order details to the supplier, who then packages and ships the products directly to the customer. This implies that the retailer never has to physically handle the products or manage the intricacies of storage and shipping. Instead, their focus lies in marketing the products, driving traffic to their online store, and providing exceptional customer service. Finding profitable dropshipping niches. In order to achieve success in the dropshipping business, it is crucial to discover profitable niches that have high demand but low competition. The key to success is selecting the right niche, as this will allow you to target a specific audience and set yourself apart from your competitors. Begin by conducting thorough market research to identify trending products and niche markets. Look for products that have a significant search volume but lack strong competition. To find popular search terms related to your niche, you can utilize keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush. Furthermore, when choosing the products you want to sell, take into consideration the profitability. It is important to select products with a healthy profit margin that will enable you to cover your expenses and generate a reasonable profit. Additionally, factor in the shipping costs and delivery times associated with your chosen niche, as these aspects can greatly influence customer satisfaction. By carefully analyzing market trends, identifying profitable niches, and considering various factors like search volume, competition, profit margins, and shipping costs, you will be well equipped to succeed in the dropshipping industry. Remember that finding the right niche is the foundation for building a successful dropshipping business. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.